Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to split a table on your Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So now how to split a table. You can see I have splitted this table, so I'm just going to show how to split the table. From first, just go to the insert option. First I just want to insert a table, so I just picking up 3 into 4. So okay, so I'm just going to mention other numbers so you can understand it easily. So there is here 4 rows, so I just want to split our first 2 rows and third and fourth row separately from this table. So you just want to select the rows or columns that you want to separate, then simply just pull the selected portion to down. Automatically it will be moved. Just drag it to the downward, it automatically split from the table. Now you just want to delete the remaining rows. For an example, if these 2 rows you just don't want, you just select that, then right click here, you can see delete the 2 rows and you can delete this. So if you want to separate this particular column, you just can select it and move down. You can see now the rows has been separated. So now you can just select it, right click on here, and you can delete the column. So by this option you can easily split the table by using this particular option. Try this option on the Google Docs now.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.